Egypt is on the verge of signing a major defense contract with South Korea for the acquisition of up to 100 Fa-50 light combat aircraft, in a deal estimated to be worth over $1 billion. According to Defense Web, Egyptian ambassador to South Korea Khalid Abdulrahman confirmed that negotiations with Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, are nearly complete, and the agreement will include technology transfer. Initial deliveries are expected to include 36 aircraft, with the remaining 70 to be locally assembled in Egypt, likely at the Helwan manufacturing facility. The deal also aims to support the development of Egypt's aerospace industry while expanding strategic defense ties across Africa and the Middle East. The Fa-50, produced by KAI with technical support from Lockheed Martin, shares 70% parts compatibility with the F-16 and is seen as a versatile platform that can serve both as a light combat aircraft and a lead-in fighter trainer. It is expected to replace Egypt's aging Alpha jets and Chinese-made K-8E trainers. Military ties between Cairo and Seoul have grown steadily. In 2023, Egypt signed a $1.66 billion deal with Hanwha to procure 216 K-9 self-propelled howitzers, 51 K-11 fire direction vehicles, and K-10 ammunition resupply vehicles. Earlier, in 2017, Egypt received a decommissioned Pohang-class corvette from South Korea. The Fa-50 agreement, if finalized, would further solidify Cairo and Seoul's growing defense and industrial cooperation in a region of rising strategic competition.